Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to a happy Sunday Easter pour. I am Brian. Thanks for tuning in for a new video. Today I am going to be doing a wandering wand pour, and I'm going to do something a little different. Instead of doing one long wand, I'm going to do 3 separate sticks. So it's going to be really tiny wands. So first time I've tried it, so I thought, why not put the camera on and see how it comes out. Also, I wanted to let everyone know I do have an Etsy store that all my paintings, no, not all of my paintings, but some of my paintings are up there for sale. I am having an Easter sale. The sale started this past Friday. It is 30% off of everything in my Etsy shop. So if you're interested in any of the pieces that are there, let me know. I can either deal with you directly or you can purchase them right from my Etsy store. Entirely up to you, but it's 30% off and it's gonna go until next Friday. So today's Easter Sunday. So April 22nd, that's when the sale will end. So if you're interested in any of my pieces, now would be a great time to get them at a discount. All right, let's get you down on the canvas. Let's talk about the canvas size and the colors. I'll be right back. Okay, so what I've got here is a 20 by 24 gallery wrap canvas. I've got it taped and push pinned on the back. Today I'm doing a special Easter pour. I am doing a wand pour, but I'm doing a different take on the wand pour. I am going to drop everything that's on my table first. Instead of doing a wand pour with one wand going one direction, I have decided to make a wand pour out of multiple wands. So what I would like to do today is put a few sticks down like so. And I'm going to pour over top of them like that. I tell you what, I'm excited about it. More because I just want to see if it's going to work. Because what I'm going to end up getting is this wavy line. So then I'm going to have to figure out how I'm going to tilt this out. Might even be better just to use 3, maybe. I like it. So for a 20 by 24 gallery wrap canvas, we are going to need about 17 ounces of paint. I have got my beaker cup, which goes up to 16 ounces. So I'm just gonna fill it all the way up because there's more space past the 16. And we know how I like to overfill. Let's talk about the colors. I am using, obviously, Easter themed colors. I am using Amsterdam Sky Blue Light. All of my paints have water, Floetrol, Liquitex Gloss Medium, and each color has got titanium white mixed in to lighten them up. So this color, again, is Sky Blue Light, but it's got titanium white in it, so it's a lot lighter. Next color is Artist Loft in the metallic purple, which I've added a lot of white so it does not look like the metallic purple anymore. Titanium white by itself, Amsterdam. 24 karat gold, Deco Art. Amsterdam and the light rose with titanium white added. Amsterdam Nickel Titan Yellow with titanium white added. And Amsterdam Turquoise Green, again with titanium white added. I'm going to use white flow extender as well. So I am going to start off with some of the blue. Purple. White. Gold. Just a little bit of white between that. Pink. Yellow. And the green. Come back over again. Blue. Purple. White. Some gold. Some white again. Pink. Yellow. And the green. One last time. I've measured out. They're pretty much equal distance from the sides and at the top and the bottom. So we're gonna do a wandering ring pour right over top of these. Ready? Let's begin. No, it moved. Oh no. Oh well, it's gonna get tilted, but I'm loving the lines and the colors in this. Woo, that's pretty. All right, don't have my tweezers, so let's see. Move this back. No. Let's just pick it up, put it to the side. Put it to the side. And put it to the side. Let's put some white around this. Give him a handy dandy omelet flipper. Push the white right up to the edge. Scoot this extra off. Now we're going to torch, and then we'll start tilting. All right, let's go. Don't want the paint to roll over itself. Make sure I got enough white down.
Yesterday evening's all I mess, and I know you're still in town. You should know I've seen you when you walk around, and there's nothing more to say. I just need for you to take my hand and stay. Too many times you slipped my heart. It's not always the sign. Oh, it's gonna be a good day when I see you coming down the road. Oh, it's gonna be a good day on the highway of my beating soul. When I start to lose control, I could never let it go, and it's always been the same. I just need for you to take my hand and stay. Too many times you slipped my heart. It's not always the same. Oh, it's gonna be a good day when I see you coming down the road. Oh, it's gonna be a good day on the highway of my beating soul. Oh, it's gonna be a good day when I see you coming down the road. Oh, it's gonna be a good day on the highway of my beating soul. I lost it all the other day. Been floating with my head down. Don't know if I made a stay. Took pride in a fleeting dream. If I guide there's ever across here.
I'm digging it. It almost kind of has a ribbon pour feel to it. I love the colors. I love the pastels. All the colors are present. The pink, the purple, the yellow, the teal, the blue. Everything is there. The gold. It's cool. Very Easter. All right, I'm going to touch up. I am going to pour a little extra on the sides of the white to make sure that there is coverage here on the edges.
Been staring all these days ahead. You all know when the time went. On a steady ground away. I fumble for the most part. If I guide the across.
Fantastic. Left a little negative space, which was great. Tell you guys, what I think I like the most about this is that it doesn't have that hard line that you get with the wand pours. I was able to tilt it and break it up, and using a smaller wand helped. All right, I'm gonna torch this and then I'm gonna bring you guys in. I love it. I love that I left the two corners white. Really nice. And you can turn it horizontal or vertical. So pretty. I love the pastel colors. I'll bring you in. All right, here is the dried result. I'm doing this at night because I just got home from work and I'm trying to get the video edited and uploaded for today. So that's why it's nighttime outside. So anyways, these colors are gorgeous. It dried perfectly. I'm absolutely in love with it. Let me bring you in here in the top left. Okay everyone, that's gonna do it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in. The piece dried fantastic. You saw it in the dry result, but this is it again. The colors are so beautiful. It's very, very much an Easter painting. Very happy about it. All right everyone, have a happy Easter. Have a happy Sunday. And don't forget, I've got 30% off on everything in my Etsy shop right now. So head over there, see if there's anything there that you'd like to have. Okay, everyone, I will see you on Wednesday. Have a great day. Happy Easter. Bye-bye.